Welcome to Dr. English channel. I am Jack.
And I am Jennifer.
Today we help you with a very common problem. Many English learners cannot describe a festival or celebration from their country. In exams, the teacher asks, describe a traditional festival in your country. Many students stop. They think a long time. They do not know how to start.
Maybe this sounds like you. You know your festival very well in your own language. You know the food, the clothes, the music, the family time. But when you speak English, your mind goes blank.
You try to speak. You say a few words. We have a big festival. It is very nice. We eat food. We are happy. That is all. It sounds weak. It does not show your culture.
Or you try the opposite problem. You use very hard words. You speak in very long sentences. You mix the history, the food, the dates, the stories, all together. The teacher cannot follow your answer.
So you feel shy. You think, my English is bad. I cannot describe my festival.
The problem is not your culture. The problem is not your intelligence. The problem is your structure. You do not have a clear, simple plan in English.
In this lesson, we give you a full plan, a simple structure. You can use it for any festival in your country. Eid, Diwali, Christmas, Holi, Chinese New Year, Nowruz, Songkran, Thanksgiving, anything.
By the end, you will be able to give a strong answer in English. Your answer will be clear, organized, and easy to understand.
You will not just say, we are happy, we eat food. You will explain the name, the time, the history, the activities, and your feelings with calm confidence.
Stay with us. You can even speak out loud with us. This will train your mouth, not only your brain.
Let us explain the plan for this video, so your brain is ready.
Today you will learn 4 big things. First, how to start your answer. You will learn one simple opening sentence that works for almost any festival in the world.
Second, how to explain the main information. The time of the festival, the reason for the festival, and a little bit of cultural or religious background in very simple English.
Third, how to describe what people actually do. Clothes, food, decorations, music, family activities, and special traditions in a step-by-step way.
Fourth, how to talk about your own feelings and opinions, so your answer sounds more human, not like a robot.
We will show you all of this inside a fun dialogue between us, Jack and Jennifer.
We will use one example festival. I will talk about Spring Festival, also called Chinese New Year.
And I will sometimes give extra examples with other festivals, like Eid or Diwali, to show you that the same pattern works everywhere.
Finally, we will give you a short summary and a little push to go and talk about your own festival.
So do not just watch. Speak with us. Take the structure and then use it in your country, with your festival.
I will use Spring Festival as my main example. It is a traditional festival in my country.
Good choice. It has history, food, family, and many activities, so it is perfect for teaching.
But if you are watching this, I want you to think about your own festival while I speak. Maybe it is Eid, Diwali, Christmas, Nowruz, or another one.
As you listen to Jack, ask yourself, what is the same in my festival? What is different? That way, your brain makes a map.
I will show you a strong, simple first sentence. Listen, a traditional festival in my country is the Spring Festival. It is the most important celebration of the year for many families.
This is excellent. 2 sentences. Very clear, very safe. You can copy the structure exactly. You say, a traditional festival in my country is name. It is the most important celebration of the year for many people.
Or if it is not the most important, you say, it is one of the most important celebrations in my country.
Now I will show you more variations. In my country, one important traditional festival is Diwali. It is a big celebration of light and new beginnings.
In my country, we have a festival called Nowruz. It marks the start of spring and the Persian New Year.
See the pattern. Name the festival. Then explain very quickly what it is or when it happens. That is all you need for the first part.
Now I will continue my example for Spring Festival. Spring Festival usually takes place in late January or February because it follows the lunar calendar. It marks the beginning of the new year. Traditionally, people believe it is a time to leave bad luck behind and welcome good luck for the future.
Let us break this into simple ideas. You want to answer 3 questions. When is it? Why do people celebrate it? Is there a short history or meaning? Use a very simple pattern. First, the time. It usually takes place in month or season. Or, we celebrate it in month.
Second, the reason. It celebrates event, person, or idea. For example, it celebrates the birth of Jesus. Or it celebrates the end of the harvest. Or it celebrates the end of Ramadan.
Third, a short meaning. For many people, it is a time to meaning. For example, for many people, it is a time to forgive and start again. Or, for many people, it is a time to thank God for His blessings.
I will give one full example again, slowly. We celebrate Spring Festival in late January or February. It marks the start of the new year in the lunar calendar. For many people, it is a time to forget the problems of the old year and hope for better things.
We celebrate Christmas on the 25th of December. It celebrates the birth of Jesus Christ. For many families, it is a time to give gifts, share meals, and show love.
You can see that the structure is always the same. Time, reason, short meaning, simple sentences.
Now we move to the biggest part. What people actually do in the festival. This part gives life to your answer.
I will talk about Spring Festival again. Listen first, then we will break it into smaller parts. Before Spring Festival, people clean their houses very carefully. They throw away old things and dust. This is a way to push out bad luck and make space for good luck. Many families also put up red decorations, like lanterns, banners, and paper cuttings, because red is a lucky color. On the evening before the new year, families come together for a big dinner. They eat many dishes, such as dumplings, fish, and rice cakes. Each food has a special meaning. For example, dumplings represent wealth, and fish represents abundance and a good future. During the festival, people visit relatives, give red envelopes with money to children, and watch fireworks and lion dances in the streets.
That is a lot of information. Let us organize it. You can divide this part into clear steps. Step 1, before the day. Step 2, on the day. Step 3, during the festival period.
For before the day, I said, before Spring Festival, people clean their houses very carefully. They throw away old things and dust. This is a way to push out bad luck and make space for good luck.
For your festival, maybe people buy new clothes or cook special food or decorate the house or go to the market. Use the same pattern. Before festival, people do actions. This is a way to short meaning.
For on the day, I talked about the big dinner. Many festivals have one main meal or one main event. On the evening before the new year, families come together for a big dinner. They eat many dishes, such as dumplings, fish, and rice cakes.
For during the festival period, I talked about visits, red envelopes, and public events.
Or, on Diwali night, many families decorate their homes with small oil lamps and candles. They pray, share sweets, and enjoy fireworks with neighbors.
During the festival, people visit relatives, give red envelopes with money to children, and watch fireworks and lion dances in the streets.
For your festival, maybe you say, during the Christmas season, people visit friends, exchange gifts, sing songs, and help people in need.
Remember, you do not need very difficult vocabulary. Focus on clear verbs. Clean, cook, visit, pray, give, sing, dance, decorate, light, eat, share, play.
Now we move to the final part, your feelings. Many students forget this, but it is very important, especially for speaking exams. I will give my example. Spring Festival is my favorite time of the year because my whole family comes together. We are usually busy with work or study, but during this festival we slow down and talk more. I enjoy the warm atmosphere, the special food, and the chance to see relatives that I do not see often. For me, it is not only about luck or money, it is about feeling close to my family and starting the year with hope.
This is simple but strong. You can use the same pattern. Start with, it is my favorite festival because, or I really enjoy this festival because. Then add 2 or 3 reasons. Keep them personal and simple. For example, I like it because I can meet my cousins. I like it because we eat special food that we do not eat every day. I like it because the city looks beautiful with lights and decorations.
You can also say how you feel inside. I feel peaceful. I feel excited. I feel thankful. I feel close to my family.
Try not to say only, we are happy. It is true, but it is too general. Give a little more detail. Repeat after us. Structure practice. Now it is your turn. We will say short sentences. You repeat after us. Speak out loud.
A traditional festival in my country is the Spring Festival.
Now use your own festival. Say, a traditional festival in my country is, and add the name.
We celebrate it in month or season.
Say the month for your festival now. We celebrate it in.
It celebrates the start of a new year.
Before the festival, people clean their homes and prepare special food.
On the main day, families come together for a big meal.
During the festival, people visit relatives and exchange gifts.
It is my favorite festival because I feel close to my family.
Jennifer. Now I will give a full model. You repeat each sentence. A traditional festival in my country is Diwali. We celebrate it in October or November. It is a festival of lights. For many people, it is a time to celebrate the victory of good over evil. Before Diwali, people clean and decorate their homes. On the main night, families light small lamps, share sweets, and enjoy fireworks. During the festival, people visit relatives, give gifts, and pray. I enjoy Diwali because the city looks beautiful and I can spend time with my family.
Short quiz. Check your understanding. Now a quick quiz. Answer in your mind or speak out loud. Question 1. When you describe a festival, what are the 3 main things you should say at the beginning?
The answer, the name of the festival when it happens, and why people celebrate it. Question 2. Give one example of something people do before a festival. Any festival.
Possible answers. Clean the house, cook special food, buy new clothes, decorate the home, go to the market.
Question 3. Give one example of a strong feeling sentence about a festival.
Possible answers. I like this festival because I can meet my family. I feel peaceful during this festival. It is my favorite festival because the atmosphere is very warm.
If you can answer these, your brain has the structure. Now you must use it again and again with your own festival.
Summary and motivation. Let us recap the full method.
First, you start with a clear opening. A traditional festival in my country is name. It is an important celebration for many people.
Second, you give the time, the reason, and a short meaning. We celebrate it in month or season. It celebrates event or idea. For many people, it is a time to.
Third, you describe the actions. You move in time order, before the festival, on the main day, and during the festival period. You talk about cleaning, cooking, visiting, praying, decorations, clothes, food, and public events.
Fourth, you add your feelings and personal opinion. You say why you like it, what it means to you, and how you feel during that time. You do not need advanced grammar to do this. You can use mostly present simple tense. You can use short, clear sentences. That is enough for a strong A2 or B1 answer.
The key is not big vocabulary. The key is structure. If your answer has a clear beginning, middle, and end, people will understand you and respect your explanation.
Your festival is important. It carries history, religion, family, and culture. It deserves a good description in English.
Do not wait. After this video, sit down and write your own answer using this structure. Then read it out loud. Then try to say it without looking at the paper.
Use your phone. Record yourself speaking about your festival for 1 or 2 minutes. Listen to the recording. Check. Do you have all 4 parts? Can you understand yourself clearly?
If you keep doing this, your speaking will grow fast. In exams, in job interviews, and in conversations with foreign friends, you will feel much more confident.
You have reached the end of this lesson on describe a traditional festival or celebration in your country.
Now you have a complete model answer, many example sentences, and a clear structure that works for almost any festival in the world.
Do not just watch and forget. Use what you learned today. Talk about your festival with your friends, with your teacher, or even alone in your room.
If this lesson helped you, tell us in the comments which festival you will describe using this structure. We want to see the names of many festivals from many countries.
Subscribe to Dr. English channel for more clear, simple lessons with Jack and Jennifer. Turn on the notification bell so you do not miss the next video.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Keep practicing your English.
And we will see you in the next lesson.